This forklift is the entry model and ideal for occasional use. The stable steel frame carries weights of up to 2,500 kilograms. Operation is via the large drawbar grip. It is particularly easy to maneuver thanks to the drawbar's 210-degree steering angle. In-feed and out-feed rollers as well as tandem tires make it possible to lift pallets at right angles and overrun thresholds. Driving the forklift with its silent solid rubber wheels is comfortable. It is possible to gradually and seamlessly lower loads by means of the hand lever. The forklift is available with simple or tandem tires and is a reliable assistant for the moving of pallets.